way to the gate, please stay seated and keep your seatbelt fastened. When we get to the gate, we will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, which will let you know it is safe to get out. As you are leaving, please check your seat and the bins overhead to make sure you have everything. Also, please be careful when you open the bin because things tend to move around during the flight and can fall out. If your cell phone is within reach, please feel free to use it now. We hope you enjoyed your Virgin America experience. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.